Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of effects on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve effects on CapCut, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to the window or to the app of CapCut, and you can click. Then this list of app info, you can click on first stop, and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. Here you can turn on your airplane mode, and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.